Well, welcome back, everybody. Tomorrow's a special day, the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. And there's a big competition that's happening soon, so I'm surrounded by very smart people with drones right here in front of us. And I want to talk about this competition. So let's start with you, Hetzel, if you don't mind. So RoboLink, a local company, what's your involvement? What are you guys putting on?
So we make these drones that teaches education, drones and programming.
Okay.
So we've been teaching over, we are in 3,000 schools, and then we've been teaching a lot of students with this STEM education.
Very cool.
And then we're very excited to have a drone competition going first time here in San Diego.
And this drone competition is tomorrow, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, we have a lot of local students that will be involved. Tell us about that, Luann.
Yeah, so the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation is the company that develops this competition.
Okay.
And our goal is we partner with RoboLink, and we're using their drones in this competition. And what these students will be doing is they'll be flying the drone, piloting the drone, programming the drone.
Wow.
But they also have to do teamwork, critical thinking skills, making decisions on the fly. Where do I want to go? I only have 2 minutes to score as many points as possible.
And I'm surprised at how small these are.
Yeah, it's a great educational drone.
Right.
You can fly them in classrooms safely,
That's awesome.
and you can fly them around the gymnasiums safely for our students to be able to participate.
A good way to go. So RoboLink, these are your drones,
Yes,
correct?
that's correct.
Okay, so to have students learn how to do this, you have learned things that I have never done before in my life. This is awesome. Tell me your name.
Eva.
Eva, are you excited for the competition tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes. Are you nervous a little bit?
A lot.
A lot. What do you expect it to be like?
Chaotic.
Chaotic. Okay. What's your name?
Kimberly.
Kimberly, hi. So what's your role going to be in the competition?
Like directing them where to put the drone.
That's an important
where to
role.
move it. Yeah.
We have directors here in our studio, but you're in charge of drones. That's a big deal. And what's your name?
My name is Jennifer.
Jennifer, what's your role going to be?
I still don't know, but I guess I'll just take whatever is in the competition.
I mean, yeah, they said it'll be on the fly, literally. That's wonderful. Thank you very much for being here and to learn all of these skills. Obviously, for students to learn, tell me real quick, Luann, why that's super important for them to have this down.
Absolutely. You know, our goal is to get drones in the hands of our students now, so they'll be ready for careers in 5 years from now.
Okay.
The drone industry is exploding, and career opportunities are exploding nationwide.
I mean, we know drone footage alone is amazing. So now we have pilots here this morning. Good morning. What's your name?
Ella.
Hi, Ella. So you're going to be flying with the red one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what's your name?
Sarelli.
Sorelli. And you're in charge of that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you get nervous flying these?
Sometimes.
Maybe on live television, right? What does it take to fly a drone?
Not much.
Not much? You have to be talented, right? Okay, I'm going to step over here while you two go ahead and do your thing, work your magic. And while they're flying this, tell me, what's your name?
Ashleen.
Ashleen. I mean, this is in midair. They literally are not hitting us, so that's a big skill.
Yeah. Tested their skills.
Yeah. I mean, it's pure concentration the whole time they have this.
Yeah, like as Luann said, I mean, we're trying to teach these girls great communication skills, coding skills, all kind of skills that they can take into the real world and apply to any kind of STEM job that they see fit to.
These drones are so amazing. Wow, you just flipped it around. And so, I mean, what's it like to see students flying their drones out here?
It's great to see them flying it well, and then we especially want to encourage more of the girls and women to be in STEM.
Right.
So we're proud to have a lot of these girls
Incredible
participating
job.
in the competition.
Whoa. Yeah, we're proud to see this. Way to go, San Diego, for putting this competition on. And it's happening tomorrow. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for being here. We'll be right back after this quick break.